Today I want to share with you a fascinating secret that not many people are aware of. All you need to do is place a clove of garlic under your pillow and see the surprising effects it can bring. Garlic is one of the most common ingredients found in kitchens all over the globe, and it has been valued for centuries not only for flavoring food but also for countless home remedies. It is such a unique ingredient, full of beneficial qualities that make it an essential part of natural medicine. People have used garlic to enrich meals, to support health, and even to drive away unwanted pests. We all know that garlic is a food loaded with important nutrients and powerful properties. It is truly capable of bringing many different benefits to your overall well-being. Garlic is actually quite high in calories, reaching up to 100 calories per 100 grams, but of course nobody consumes such an amount that would cause weight gain. Instead, what it offers are complex carbohydrates and proteins that nourish the body and support mental functions. It is also abundant in vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin D, sodium, potassium, and magnesium. One of its most remarkable compounds is allicin, a sulfur-based element responsible for many of its healing powers. Garlic has been shown to help fight infections, metabolic problems, and respiratory difficulties. It is packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory components that improve cardiovascular health, balance cholesterol levels, and help regulate blood pressure naturally. In addition, it promotes blood circulation, delays premature aging, and provides strong antibacterial effects. In some cases, its natural properties can even be more effective than certain antibiotics prescribed in modern medicine. Garlic also reduces water retention, decreases swelling in body tissues, and contributes to better health in several different ways. So, why would anyone put garlic under their pillow? This is actually an old family tradition, passed down from generation to generation, especially for those who struggle with falling asleep. Garlic contains sulfur, which gives it a strong and distinctive aroma. That scent creates a relaxing atmosphere, encouraging the body to unwind and drift into deep sleep. At first, the smell might feel overwhelming, but after a few nights you get used to it, and the effect on your sleep quality is remarkable. Many people say they wake up feeling more refreshed, with more energy for the next day. There is also another way to use garlic for improving your sleep, and it involves a simple but powerful homemade drink. To prepare it, you will need 250 milliliters of milk, 1 clove of garlic, and a spoonful of honey. The preparation could not be easier. First, crush the garlic clove to release its natural compounds. Place it in a small pot together with the milk. Heat the mixture until it begins to boil gently and allow it to simmer for about 3 minutes. Afterward, remove it from the stove, let it cool slightly, and mix in the spoonful of honey. Drink this about half an hour before going to bed, and you will notice how it helps you fall asleep more peacefully. This shows that garlic is not only one of the finest natural seasonings for cooking, but also a powerful friend for maintaining good health and improving sleep. What do you think about this traditional tip of keeping garlic under your pillow? Leave me a comment and share your experience, because I truly enjoy hearing from you. If you already knew some of these health benefits, let me know. And if you are still here with me at the very end of the video, write something in the comments so I know you stayed until the finish. Your likes and comments support this channel more than you can imagine, and I am deeply grateful for every one of you. I hope you enjoyed this useful advice. Please share it with friends and family so they too can take advantage of these natural benefits. Sending you a big warm hug. May God bless you, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.